Hello, and in this video, you guys, we're doing a vlog for about 2 weeks worth of content, so check it out.
Hello, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the Wrapped in Scraps channel. It is me and Honey's anniversary, but we do have the kiddos with us. We decided that when we took the cruise, that would kind of be not only my birthday gift, but also our anniversary gift to each other as well. So we're just going to spend the day going and have some fun. We're going to go eat at Olive Garden. We're going to probably go see a good movie. We're probably going to go to the arcade for the kiddos to have fun. And we're just going to do a lot of fun things today and just enjoy the day. So anyhow, so come with fam. Let's get it.
So again, you guys, these recordings are from the last 2 weeks. So you're going to see the kids in different clothing because it was different days and I just kind of corralled it all together. We did manage to go and see Jurassic Park and it was really good, but immensely long. I was shocked that the girls actually stayed engaged and watched the whole thing. And then after that, we had to go and get some good food. My 5-year-old is a star in the making. She's always trying to entertain everybody. So you'll see more of that, I'm sure, in the other videos. So we headed over to the Olive Garden to get some good grub.
Sorry, you guys, I forgot to film, but we're all about done here. We're gonna take some home. At the beach, you guys.
So the next day, you guys, we headed out to the beach at Del Mar. You know, that's our favorite beach for now until we can get down to Coronado Beach, which is my home beach. And 2 days later, we were at another beach, this time in Mission Bay, attending my brother's 619er beach party. It's done annually each year. And we had a blast there as well.
Mom.
So of course they had the event on a weekend, which means it was immensely crowded. We had to pay $40 to park, but that's okay. I'd rather pay it than to drive around all day looking for a park. The vending was pretty nice. There was a lot of vendors out there. That was my first time experiencing that. Normally you would just see skateboarders and roller skaters. So it was nice to do a little bit of shopping. Honey picked up a Seahawks hat and the girls enjoyed looking around and everything. And then after that, it was time, my friends, to allow them to get on some roller coaster rides.
You're gonna go by yourself, you're a big girl.
So my youngest was too short to go on the roller coaster, but Zoe and Lee were not. So they went on the roller coaster together. That's actually their first time solo. So it was really exciting to see how they would respond and react and enjoy it. And they had a great time. And then after that, we allowed little one to get on some rides as well that were more her size. All right, you guys, so if you ever go to San Diego, you have to check out the Royal Manor. It's my favorite place to eat. I also threw in a clip of my brother giving me a birthday party. It was a little small gathering birthday party. All right, so back to the beach party. After the beach party, you guys, we went to party at the club with the 619ers. It was great. My brother, his fiance, my mom, my auntie, myself, and Honey were there. We had a great time. After all of that, we did not want to drive home, so we just got a hotel off of San Diego Bay, not too far from the airport. And then the next day, I had to take Honey for Father's Day and get him a wallet at the Louis Vuitton store. It took this man only 4 minutes to decide what he wanted. When I went, it took me 2 hours, but with him, 2 minutes. And we're going to do the unboxing.
No, I don't want to look at that again.
Don't need that.
I want to look at that.
We have stepped it up.
So I wanted to get it heat stamped for him, but the line was 2 hours and we didn't have time for that. Also, we had to go and see George. If you've watched my other video with MFK Fragrances, you know George is my guy. So we went to Neiman Marcus and I had him pick up, I can never pronounce it, Tuttle is the name of the cologne. Tuttle, and it's a really nice cologne. It was a recommendation from George. We smelled many, and that was definitely the one we wanted to go with. So I just wanted to make sure that Honey was taken care of for this Father's Day. Sometimes Father's Day come along and they, man, they get little cards from the kids and things like that. But I just think we as women, we kind of get the better end of the stick when it comes to Mother's Day versus Father's Day. And this Father's Day, I just wanted to make sure that Honey knew he was appreciated. And so I picked him up the LV wallet as well as the Tuttle or Tittle, however it's pronounced. And I think he was a happy camper after that. We had a wonderful weekend. We had a lot of fun. The kids enjoyed being with their dad, and it was just a great time.
Tuttle. Hello, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to the Wrapped and Scraps channel. I hope everyone is doing okay. This is a quick check-in video. I've been just really busy these last couple of days, trying to get the house together, starting to set out my summer decor and all of that jazz. So just cleaning carpets, cleaning rooms. I'm about to start painting, all that type of stuff. But anyhow, that I'll just check in with y'all. Say hello. Oh, outfit of the day. We are carrying the Michael Kors today. Got a little. So the next day, you guys, we decided to go ahead and step out. As you can see, I'm wearing a cute little kind of tropical type outfit here. Today. And we're going to eat because I'm hungry. So we went and had lunch at a place called Lucille's that's local to us. It was great. I just want to thank you guys for stopping by, checking out the video. Remember to stay wrapped in scraps. Remember to stay loving you, stay loving God, stay loving life. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. And remember to subscribe, please, ma'ams and sirs. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.